Assalamualaikum. Today with me Teacher Fatin, we are going to learn about gardening ataupun berkebun. First, we will find out the types of gardening tools. Alatan perkebunan. Shovel. Boot. Trowel. Hand fork. Hose. Cliff. Rack. Now, we will learn about the types of vegetables. Jenis sayur-sayuran. Chili. Cauliflower. Spinach. Okra. Now, let's complete the dialogues. Mari kita sama-sama lengkapkan perbualan. What is this? Apakah ini?
This is a chili. Ini ialah chili.
What is this? Apakah ini?
This is an okra. Ini ialah bendi.
What are these?
These are trowels.
What are these?
These are racks.
Well done, everyone! Today, you have learned a few types of gardening tools and the types of vegetables. Thank you. See you again. Bye!